Okay, he won't stop. He won't stop at all. I opened the door and I saw him fly away. He was up on the roof. He was up there somewhere. And then he flew over this way. He's making a horrible, horrible ruckus. There's Robin Bird, see? He's not bad. He's not doing anything. I think up there on the power line, I think that's the guy who's doing it. I think it is. Oh, hey, Robin Bird. Robin Bird is trying to give me information. He's like, listen to what I have to say. I don't know. That's a dove, though. What is going on? He's gonna come back. I know it. He's got the taste of something now. He's somewhere around here. There's Robin Bird. I love him. He's not doing it. Unless he is doing it. In which case he's not my friend anymore. Alright, we'll go inside and wait again till he comes back. Very hard to concentrate. Very hard with this going on.